It's all around you. It never sleeps. It never stops working. It shapes your life in countless ways. Welcome to the data sphere, a space so vast it nearly defies comprehension. This year alone, humans and machines will produce and communicate a staggering 44 zettabytes of digital information, each containing over a sextillion individual bytes. If each byte measured just a centimeter long, a zettabyte would stretch a third of the way across the galaxy. What's more, the datasphere is expected to balloon to an annual 175 zettabytes within the next 5 years. Communicating and storing all of this data currently consumes over 7% of the total power generated on planet Earth. Enough to supply the entire nations of Germany, France, and South Korea combined. And within the next decade, this consumption rate is projected to shoot up to 20%. Travel to the core of the data sphere, and you'll find web servers, the Internet of Things, 5G, AI, streaming media, the list goes on and on, all hungry for their share of the world's energy output. In response, semiconductor manufacturers worldwide are racing to keep ahead of the curve with ingenious solutions that maximize throughput while minimizing energy consumption. They're building AI processors, using advanced packaging technologies like high bandwidth memory that dramatically reduce both real estate and power consumption. Fully 80% of the data sphere travels along copper cables inside of data centers, a prime target for energy savers. In response, IC manufacturers have developed silicon circuitry that interfaces directly with fiber optic cabling to replace copper cables operating at a fraction of the energy. At the same time, conventional hard drives and DRAM are giving way to solid-state drives and magnetic-driven memory, which cut memory power needs in half. And finally, at the forefront of science and technology, we're seeing the very first cryogenic computing systems, such as quantum computers, which promise to operate at a small fraction of the power needed by today's supercomputers. In every case, FormFactor is there as a partner on the journey from the lab to the fab, with the world's most advanced test and measurement solutions for advanced data processing, communication, and storage technologies. All at a time when the need to reduce energy consumption has truly become a global issue. We're committed to the idea that a planet challenged by the demands of the data sphere can also be an energy efficient one. Stay tuned for more on what we're up to.